Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how people are earning USDT using Trust Wallet. So let's get started. First, you're going to download the Trust Wallet and top up funds. With Trust Wallet installed, you're going to buy or transfer for USDT dollars, USDC, DAI, or USDA into your wallet. Supported networks include Ethereum, BNB Smart Chain or BSC, Arbitrum, and Base. Now after that, you're going to choose how you earn. You're going to pick your preferred vaults with a single tap powered by top DeFi protocols like Morpho, Aave, and more. No bridging, staking, or complex setup needed. So again, you're just going to click on earn right here, and then you're going to select a cryptocurrency that you want or how you want to earn. Now after that, you're going to watch your balance grow. You're just going to have to sit back and earn. Enjoy 24/7 access to your funds with no lockups. You're going to track your earnings right inside the app as well. And after that, that's it. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.